What is up, Wings gang? So I'm gonna film a cleaning with me video because I need to clean and organize this room. This will most likely be like a 2-day vlog because I'm gonna end up re-cleaning up tomorrow anyway because we're having a GI party. That's like where you just clean. So, but this room is a mess. I'm gonna show you my desk and my bed and my closet and stuff. Let's start with the closet because the closet is the worst. My closet, literally a hot mess. And this is what my sink looks like also is. And then I was organizing my desk, that's why it looks like that, but hot mess express everywhere. And also I have every single light on in this dorm room. Anyway, so I'm gonna just clean up and you guys can just watch me clean, I guess. How does that sound? Sounds good to me. Okay, I'm gonna start with the desk first. Because I also have laundry right there. Then I just got clean laundry out of the dryer. That also needs to be put away. But we're gonna start with the desk. Okay, all this stuff right here, my roommate left behind. So I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna keep and what I'm gonna throw away because I cannot keep it here. So I have to deal with this.
Remember when you said it doesn't get better than this? Only a fool would've let you go. You got into my head. Am I about to lose myself? When will all of this fade away? Cause I see colors for the first time. I'm starting to realize nothing's ever black and white. And I'm caught up in the first night. Now it doesn't feel right. I'll just have to say goodbye one last time. I know that it's hopeless, but we'll be fine. Cause nothing's ever black and white. Cause words are kinda hard to find, so I just had to write this song. I don't wanna see you cry again, and no matter how the story ends, I'll always be there for you. Cause I see colors for the first time. I'm starting to realize nothing's ever black and white. And I'm caught up in the first night. Now it doesn't feel right. I'll just have to say goodbye one last time. I know that it's hopeless, but we'll both be fine. Cause nothing's ever black and white. Cause nothing's ever black and
So I took my hair down to go throw my stuff in the trash because there was no way I was going outside with my hair in a wrap. And my hair is so poofy right now that I don't even know how I feel about it. It's cute. I like it like this. It's kind of like straightened, but like not straightened at the same time. I don't know. I need to do maybe like a quick little ponytail or something so I can go run outside to the trash. Cause the trash needs to go out tonight. And I already know, like once I finish cleaning tomorrow, I'm gonna have to go back outside and take more trash out. But I'm just gonna throw my hair in like a quick ponytail. Because I need to bring this trash outside. I'm gonna go right downstairs and bring the trash out real quick.
talking to me with your eyes. I get a hint of the perfume that I like. Wear it like a disguise. I come around with the perfect alibi. Midnight, pouring my heart out like it's water. Tick-tock, you know this night ain't getting younger. Feels like chasing a star up and down in the sky. I can't get enough of sweet, sweet loving like we're just a couple bees, please. I'm glued to you, honey, like leave me, and I'll be sticking to you. I'm glued to you, honey. I'm glued to you, honey. Hey. Ooh, ah, ooh, I'm glued to you, honey, like ooh, ah, ooh, I'm glued to you, honey, like. I'm walking around with a smile. You got me feeling like curfew after 9. Yeah. You're tearing it up with the style. You got me living a brand new kind of life. At midnight, pouring my heart out like it's water. Tick-tock, you know this night ain't getting younger. Feels like chasing a star up and down in the sky. I can't get enough of sweet, sweet loving like we're just a couple bees, please. I'm glued to you, honey, like leave me, and I'll be sticking to you. I'm glued to you, honey. I'm glued to you, honey. Hey. Ooh, ah, ooh, I'm glued to you, honey, like ooh, ah, ooh, I'm glued sweet, sweet. Loving like we're just a couple bees, please. I'm glued to you, honey, like leave me, and I'll be sticking to you. I'm glued to you, honey. I'm glued to you, honey. Eh. Ooh, ah, ooh. I'm glued to you, honey, like ooh, ah, ooh. I'm glued to you, honey, like. Daughter in the city, rushing to me, down upstream. Are you with me? Round up, rainbow. Daughter in the city, rushing to me, down upstream. Are you with me? Feel it. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow